to another Snap Round Kick with Punches episode lesson. Okay, found it. Yeah, okay, so from here, we're now going to use our side sport stance again and go into our kickboxing stance for the punches. So, in our kickboxing stance, we say, let's say we're doing a cross hook. So here we are, cross hook. Okay, remember within our hook punches there, we want to make sure that we've got 3 contacts of 90, meaning from here that we've got our chin down, so we can see over the top, blocking any punches coming. We've got 90-degree bending around here. We've got a 90-degree angle here. And we've also got 90 degree of the hip coming in. So we've got 3 contacts at 90. 90, 90, and 90. So we're getting this coming round. So we're using our whole body into that shot. Okay, not simply just feet just facing forward and just slapping the arm around. Okay, like this. And we're still making contact with the first 2 knuckles as well. Okay, so these are impacting here. Whether your hands that way or that way is completely up to you. I used to years ago do it this way. Now I always do it this way. Here. Okay, but it's completely up to you. What I would do is I would rep with you on a punch bag on the pad. Don't think about it and just throw it. And see which position of your hand you naturally do. You'll probably find out when you throw it, you'll naturally do that instinctively instead of doing that. That one sometimes takes a lot more thought. I would do that one more for like a longer range one, kind of like a mixture of a hook on overhand. See, we're doing this, where it's a little bit wider out, okay, instead of this way. Okay, so that's how I would use it. So, from here, from our side sport right on our snap kicks, okay, the side we're on. Once again, this hip's going to unlock so that heel is pointing forward. Okay, the knees facing the other way, completely unlock the hips. Bang! From here, you're then going to drop down into your 25 plus 10 stance. From here, hand will stay up. I've got this glove down a little bit just so you can hear me a bit better on the video. And then I'll do one when I hold it up. From here, snap into this here, so you're rotating. Now simply, all those contacts at 90. This back heel is going to go down on the floor, allowing the front one to rotate, and then we hook straight to that punch. So I'm going to do it now, so hands are up, snap, drop, and drop again. Okay, so we're going from side sport, here, dropping out, make sure this hand is protecting, shoulders staying down, okay, shoulders staying up, chin staying down, and then rotating here. So we're doing the other side so you can see what happens with the hand. Okay, so here, nice and tight hands, guys, okay, snap, protection here, okay, protection here, so everything's staying nice and tight. So I'm there, and that punch is up, I'm not dropping this or popping the head up, I'm keeping this down. I then keep the shoulder up till the hand gets back. And then I stay protected here as well. And then this comes in, and then I move around. Okay, so we do this one more time for you guys. Ready? Snap round kick. Up. Go into that stance. Cross. And then hook. Awesome. Boom. And that has been your snap round kick with a cross hook punch. Mixing our sport kickboxing karate techniques with kickboxing techniques of the hands.
Have some fun.
Have some fun, guys.